Hey there. Today we're going to look at how to make a stand in Please Donate. So let's get started. First, open any browser and go to roblox.com, then log into your account. After that, head over to the Create tab and select Creations. Under Experiences, choose Your Place. From the side menu, scroll down to the Monetization tab and select Passes. Tap on Create Passes. Next, upload any image you like and give it a name. Then click on Create Pass. Now go back and click on your created pass. Select Sales from the side menu and toggle Item for Sale. Enter the amount you want as a donation. Keep in mind, you will receive 70% of that amount. After setting up your pass for sale, open Please Donate in Roblox. Find an unclaimed booth and claim it by holding the button shown on the screen. Once claimed, your stand is ready. You can also customize it however you want, and that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next one.